New to Boost Auto, the latest addition to the VX4 line has arrived. VX4 headlights for 14 to 19 GMC Sierra 15, 25, and 3500 trucks. Outfit your Sierra with DOT-compliant high-performing headlights from Boost Auto. Increased performance and an upgraded appearance will transform your ride's look and your visibility. Built to stand up to the extreme, our headlights don't just survive the elements, they're engineered to endure them. From UV-tested clarity to corrosion-proof construction or even the most punishing temperatures. We've built these headlights from the ground up so you never have to think twice. With quad LED projectors, visibility and clarity is drastically improved compared to OEM halogen headlights. The seamless accent light strip serves as a powerful and head-turning DRL and park lamp. Our triple flash feature will now change the color of the light strip between amber and white with 3 flashes of the high beams. The choice is at your fingertips. Available with standard signal as well as sequential signal to be sure to match all of your Boost Auto products. Opt for our ultimate lighting package to leave an impression at startup and shutdown with animated sequences that utilize the quad projectors and LED light strip. Maximum performance, full DOT compliance. VX4 doesn't compromise, it dominates. Power, style, clarity. Ready for whatever the road throws at you. This is VX4 from Boost Auto. The future of lighting is here. Available now for 14 to 19 GMC Sierra 15, 25, and 3500 trucks at boostauto.com.